Paulit-ulit lang yan. Yan saan? Tapos yung pang-apat ay Tapos pareho lang ng tono pero sasabihin natin ay para. Tapos pangatlo ay paparara. Gawin nga natin ng mas mapaya. Welcome to your graduation, everyone. State your name. Nasa tamang edad. Nasa questionable pag-iisip. Ay nangangako. At sumusumpa. Sa ngalan ni Dieter Ocampo, ni Eponine, ni Tinkerbell, at lahat ng hindi minahal, na magiging okay na ako. Hindi na kita isa-stalk sa Facebook. Hindi na kita isa-stalk sa Facebook lahat. Hindi na kita isa-stalk sa Twitter. Hindi ko na isa-stalk ang girlfriend mo sa Twitter. Hindi na ako magpapagupit at aasahang mapapansin mo. Hindi na ako pupunta sa isang event just because nag-RSVP ka ng going. And I do solemnly swear that I am okay. I will be okay. I will someday be okay. I will someday try to be okay. And that someday starts today. Welcome to your graduation. Now let us sing. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta sa commencement exercises. See, I would have given you more than these presents and more of anything that you please. We could watch the sunset, however corny that is. But the cornier the corny, the more real this is. But you this one-way train. Gagawin lang natin end at lahat tayo kakantahin natin yung chorus, okay? Yung mga nakakalam, nakasan nyo, lead everybody. 1, 2, 3, and you don't love me and it's okay. You don't love me and it's okay. You don't love me and it's okay. I don't see the evil in knowing where you belong. But if you'd only looked around you for one more minute long, you will see I am here, I'm still here, I've been here all along.